as well, just to show you what it looks like Hey everyone, so it's been a few days since I filmed my last video where I featured the Dyson Airwrap. So this is it without the attachment on. And I thought I would do, because I use the 30mm attachments in the last one, so I thought I would film the 40mm one so you can see the difference in the type of curl that you get, or the wave. So yeah, so if you didn't see the last video, I'm using the Dyson Complete Airwrap. This is a gifted product. It's the V9 and this is the Complete Airwrap. So it's the new model. I got it just before lockdown and I've used it quite a few times, a good few times. I started off using these attachments, so the brush and the round brush and then the flat brush, and it just gives you a nice smooth finish. But I really like the effect that the 30mm and the 40mm attachments give you. So if it's your first time using an Airwrap, you want to basically make sure that you know how to use it and get the technique right. So yeah, let's get on with the video. If you like this, if it's your first time watching, subscribe and like, and yeah. Okay, so just to start, I have washed my hair and it's just what's the word, towel dried I guess, but I want it a little bit wetter, so I'm going to put some Red Ken, what is this, all-in-one multi-benefit hair treatment in, just to dampen it a little bit further, because it's quite dry. My hair dries really quickly, so yeah, ignore the fringe as well. I cut it during lockdown because yeah, it was driving me crazy. Well, I don't actually know, I liked my fringe as it was. I didn't have a fringe, it was all the same length, but I just thought I'd be extra and chop it off. So I'm just brushing it through. And as you can see, I said this colour was only like a wash in, wash out one. It's been 3 washes and you can see my blonde coming back already. So it doesn't last very long at all, which is great, you know, if you want to just try something, if you're going back to work or something, or, you know, you want to see what your hair would look like pretty crazy. So I thought this was really good. It was a Shrine Dip It one, which I think I paid about £7 for, so yeah, I really like it. Yeah, let's get on with the video. So I just had to go and grab some sectioning clips for my hair, because I just want to move the bits that I'm not using out of the way. So we'll start on this side today. I think I'll probably do a little bit more structured today. So sorry about the background noise. The children are watching Vampirina downstairs. So it's on quite loud actually. And I'm trying to be quiet as well. So, right, so I'm just going to section this bit out of the way. Just twist it, I think. And it's just going to be left there. I think I'll section another bit as well. These little combs are quite useful with a little stick at the end. I'm going to twist that bit around and just pull that out of the way and just clip it back with a sectioning clip. And then we've just got this bit to play with. And we'll just get on with this side now. So I'm just going to brush that through and just give that a little bit of a wet with the Red Ken stuff. Plug in my Dyson and I've just picked the right one. So I want that one for that side, and you just kind of release it, and then that's it. So as you can see, it's still a little bit wet, and we'll just grab, I think I'll go for this much to start, but if I need to add more then I'll add a bit more. I'm not going to clip all the bits up again this time, I'm just going to leave them to do what they do, but I'm going to leave the Dyson on a bit longer. So sorry about the noise right now. I may take this noise out, I'll decide when I'm editing. But yeah, here we go. Oh, and tell if I switch the plug on. it down a little bit. My hair, I just don't know whether to brush it out and do that technique or to keep it like this. It's really curly. I think so. Let me have a look and see what accessories I've got. See if I can make this work with the curls as they are. I think for me that's a bit too curly, so I'm going to brush it out. Let's see. Okay, I'm ready. Super bouncy. And that's it. So that is the 40mm Dyson attachment. Let me know what you think. I think obviously it depends on the length of your hair. I think I prefer this to the other one. It's just super bouncy. I'm going to actually just style it as well a little bit. So I'm going to go put some hairspray in it and then I'll come. Apologies about the dirty mirror, but I do want to quickly show you this before I log out because it just wasn't giving the correct look in that small camera that I was filming with on the landing. But look, as you can see, that is super duper bouncy and just really, really lovely. So yeah, I will keep trying all of the other techniques for you and let you know what I think. See you in the next one. Bye. Just to show you what it would look like if you wanted to do this kind of thing with it. So that's it. So yeah, I really, really like it.
Mommy?
Yes?
1, 2.